What are you guys doing?
Three of those guys.
Oh, if you draft a quarterback, you better move on from Flacco. We've already done that. We already went through that experiment.
Of pushing me and challenging me to want to do this. And again, I think when you're confident in who you are, whether you're a male or a female, that goes a long way.
Jenny, I just want to say thank you. I'm the father of her daughter, of being able to say, yeah, you know, our Brandon, we're so happy for him. He was accepted at Yale. That's a big deal for the parents.
It is a big deal.
But maybe they don't even stop to think like it's little Brandon.
Awesome. And you can pull right up.
So it made me think for a second, why would somebody making $18 million a year want to sell, like, you know,
What the hell?
T-shirts? I mean, what are the margins on these T-shirts?
Money for one season.
Visitor Troy Rank. Troy, Brandon Marshall's comments to the Oakland media.
What the hell? Oh my gosh.
Facebook, and his daughter had her kindergarten graduations, and they had cap and gown.
Oh, really?
Yes. And I was going to take a picture and show you and be like, you're making fun of Easton, who did not have a cap and gown, but this is your...
I saw that. Okay.
I didn't know what to say. I didn't have anything to say, so I didn't say anything.
Now the Bears apologize for that debate. Super Bowl championships.
Okay, that's the part. Jana says she's on the brink because of taxes. Jana, what's going on?
Exactly. In your lane. Wearing a yellow, orange, red span, whatever. Still can I wait? Oh my gosh, I gotta get away from that because they're just like.
The English, the British healthcare system. Which one is better from your point of view?
Oh, on the phone. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's nobody behind me. Okay. Going.
Of making us much safer than we were before. I think that more credit goes to some.
1414. That's 800-279-1414. 800-279-1414.
Who was that?
Every woman should own. At Shane Company, we have all the essentials. Fashion rings, diamond necklaces, stackable
Why did
bands.
you do that?
My team is always redesigning
And then you
the
get in
basics
both
to make them
lanes.
anything but basic.
Oh my
like
God.
our new diamond stud earrings. They still have the look of a classic.
Their gun, when to stay back, how to defeat blocks. It was good, man, and hopefully we can get back to one of these days.
Point south, Roxborough, Parker, easily pushing up, close to a push south.
Right, you say this is that time period, Dave, when we talk to you, you say bring the pets in, it's done, huh? No more of the pets outside in this kind of weather.
Yeah, definitely for the overnight hours, maybe the rough. Things done, it's a win-win when Granger's got your back. Call clickgranger.com or stop by and see for yourself. Granger, for the ones who get it done. Marketing knowledge. We aggressively implement the most advanced, innovative, and proactive marketing plan you will find anywhere.
You waited till the very end. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so the chocolate was ready then.
Yeah, but the one they made there, it reminded me of that. Oh, come on. They had like like the granny, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. It reminds me.
You gotta be kidding me. Come on.
A three-car garage, enough room for all their kids. I think it's really cool. Go check out this full story on 999thepoint.com.
Tobacco products and e-cigarettes. This is KUNC.
This is All Things Considered from
The
NPR
hell?
News. I'm Mary Louise Kelly.
And I'm Ari Shapiro. Tomorrow night is the 9th Democratic presidential debate, and it is the first for billionaire.
Of places where they can get work in that they used to not be able to do so has of the Colorado Buffaloes. Do you like the hire of Carl Durrell as new head coach?
Destiny. How is Destiny? Oh, runs the red light. Yeah.
Who's gonna run with it? You got your version of Tyreek Hill. So no, Denver Broncos should not pass on this guy. You know, the guy that I have been paying close attention to is the guy that came into the
Dude,
season
what the
as the
heck?
number one
Oh my God.
wide receiver, and that's Gary Judy.
In South Africa, this has been a hot topic, even here in the United States.
Playing a lot of young players. Because of past mistakes in past
Those rip.
drafts, you're relying on a lot of, let's call it young, inexperienced players making your roster, but not only making